Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is where you stretch the sounds out in the words slowly and you go back and say them all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Storm. St. Or m. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go all together. Storm. Or m. Good job, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called The Gale. So boys and girls, here is our book on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Gale. The children were away on holiday. They were staying at Dolphin Bay. This place is ace. Fab. They went down to the bay. It's a grey day, said Mum, and it may rain. Can we play in the waves? A strong wind had come up. The waves were big and there was a lot of spray. A man had a loud hailer. My name is Phil, he said. You must not go in the waves today. You must stay out, called Phil. The waves are too high. It's not safe. All the sailing boats had come in, the boats were put away. The wind is too strong. A man had a hard job to pull down his sail. Phil ran to help him. The children went back to the tent. There may be a gale, said Dad. We must make the tent safe. We must lash the tent down, said Mum. They put in 8 extra pegs. Stop it, Floppy! The tent had a rip in one corner. Mum had some tape to fix it. Dad got a plastic pail, just in case the rain drips in, he said. The wind came up. It got dark. Not long to wait, said Dad. Then the storm came. It began to rain. It came lashing down. The wind began to wail. Floppy was afraid. He did not like the gale, and he began to howl. Shh, Floppy, you are safe. It was a bad storm. It shook the tent. Some hail came down. But it was snug in their tent. The children played a game. They played snakes and ladders. We must feed Floppy. In the end, the storm went away. The sun came out. It was a good job we made the tent safe, said Dad. Look! Lots of tents had come down. People were upset. Mum, Dad, and the children went to help. We have to pack up, said a man. We are too wet to stay. They went down to the Dolphin Bay. Wow, said Chip, how amazing! There were lots of starfish on the sand. Loads of starfish! They came in on the waves, said Phil. Let's call it Starfish Bay now, said Biff. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can listen to me read it again on the video, or you can use the play button on Oxford Owl where they will read it to you. This week's guided reading we will be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I'll put in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You'll need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you will need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work.